Choosing between Sublime Text and Neovim depends on how much customization and control you want. Sublime Text is lightweight, fast, and user friendly. It works right out of the box with features like multiple cursors, split editing, and powerful search. Great for developers who want speed and simplicity without the steep learning curve. Neovim, on the other hand, is for power users. It's a modernized version of Vim, extremely customizable, keyboard driven, and scriptable in Lua. You can turn into anything: a Python IDE, a web dev environment, or a full terminal workspace. But it requires setup and a bit of a learning curve to unlock its full potential. If you want quick startup, fast editing, and ease of use, go with Sublime Text. But if you're after deep control, efficient workflows, and love tinkering, Neovim is the better choice.